Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my freebie advent calendar. Yes, throughout the month of December, from the 1st to the 25th, I'm going to be sharing every single day a December daily, and I'm going to share a free printable for you guys to download and enjoy. Free printable to use for junk journal, card making, any sort of paper craft project. The freebie is available to download on my Facebook group, so keep watching and I will see you very soon. Okay guys, wow, December, wow, this year has flown and November has gone by like really quick. December, favorite time of the year. Don't know about you guys, but also is my busiest time of the year because, as you guys know, I work part-time as a retail manager in one of the very famous English brand. And December is the month when my bosses always ask me to go full-time. So I have to work 5 days a week, like everybody else, of course. But also I have YouTube as contribute to half of my income. So of course I do both. But in December, I have to give my part-time job a bit more love and attention. So yeah, I'm very organized. I almost finished all my Christmas shopping. I just need to wrap it. And December is the month where after work, I just literally just want to sit down and spend some time with Jamie, because he works full-time as well in retail as well. So we all work crazy hours. If you know, retail stores will be opening from 6 o'clock in the morning till almost midnight. So the shifts are very long and very unsocial. But hey ho, it is all right for now. So freebie number 1 is this one here. Is a beautiful background. And I just put on top some butterflies. As you guys know, I am obsessed with butterflies. Hence why there is a butterfly on my logo. But yes, I love butterflies, and this is the kit that this has been designed from. It's called a Magical Garden, and it is one of the biggest kits that I sell. Lots of pages. There is a mixture of background, and I'll show you them very quickly. There is a lot of pastel colors, but also quite like a deep bright colors in there. I'm going to one thing I want to do next year is I want to do weekly journals. So I'm gonna use some of my papers to create maybe not once a week, because it's probably a bit too much to commit, but at least one journal every couple of weeks. And of course, if you guys wish to purchase it, you'll be able to. So there's a lot of backgrounds in this kit, lots of flowers, lots of bees. There's a page full of tags. There are a couple of envelopes. So this is a scallop envelope. This is the tabs you put inside, and this is a traditional envelope. So you got the two sides, the bottom and the top. 2 huge tags and some embellishments. A gift box. So you'll probably see a lot of these milk carton gift boxes dotted around on my digital papers. So when you do it up, it looks like this. So these 4 squares are those. The 2 triangles are basically those 2 here. Once you score them and you burnish them, it's literally closed up like a milk carton. So I love gift box, and of course those 2 are the bases. I love milk carton, and I love to give you some gift boxes as well, because you know this kit have been designed to be versatile. So yeah, so that's the kit. I can't find the page. Oh, there it is. So this is the page that I have used to create your freebie. So it's literally this, and I just put some butterflies on top. So guys, the freebie this year are all going to be available on my Facebook group. So in just a moment, I'll show you how to where to find them as well. But also every Friday, I will still send my newsletter, which I will put here on the left hand side, so you guys will you can see what it looks like. Newsletter, when I send you a recap of the week, there is a cheeky discount code every Friday. It's just literally 1 email a week. I'm not here to spam anybody, because spamming is not kind. And also I haven't got time also. But yeah, so I will show you in just a second where to find this freebie. Okay guys, so this is the homepage of my Facebook group. So it's not a page, it's the group. So feel free to follow the link. So once you are in the group, you need to, of course, on here you see all the chats and conversations and what myself and all the members have shared. On here, if you click on files, you see all the freebies that I have shared for a very long time. So please go and help yourself. So if you click on the three dots and you click on download, and now you will automatically download the freebies. Okay, as usual guys, let's finish the video with a positive quote and affirmation. I'm using this book, found on a charity shop, 365 Days of Calm. Today is number 29. And it's something to do with yoga. I don't practice yoga, but something I want to do next year is spend some time and meditate and look after myself a bit more. So he says, yoga is a wonderful way to relax and help you feel calm but strong. Give the airplane pose a try by simply lying on your tummy and gently lifting your chest, arms and legs off the floor and holding the position for 5 seconds. Do this 5 times each day this week. How do you feel? Let's try. I don't think I'll be able to commit five times each day this week, again because of work, but I'll see if I can do, as soon as I wake up, at least a couple of times I'll lie down on the floor. And you guys give this a try and let me know how you feel. Okay guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a really huge big thumbs up. It really helps with my journey here on YouTube. Guys, if you also like it, please consider subscribe and click on notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. Okay guys, do you need some more ideas and inspirations? If the answer is yes, I put 2 videos on the screen now. One where we made a very famous, popular, fanciful style card, and then a second video where we made some twist and fold pop-up card. Okay, so keep watching, and until tomorrow, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye!